Welcome, doctors. Let's be real for a moment. Nothing feels worse than doing everything right for a patient, delivering the best care you can, and then watching your claim get denied. You've probably heard this before. The patient swore their insurance was active, but it turns out it lapsed just last week. And right there, before the patient even walked in, your revenue cycle was already at risk. That's why it all begins with one crucial step: insurance verification. Insurance verification isn't just paperwork. It's the first firewall protecting your revenue cycle. Think about it, 25% of claim denials happen simply because eligibility wasn't checked or was checked inaccurately. And here's the kicker: 65% of denied claims are never corrected or resubmitted. That's lost revenue, gone forever. Now, why does insurance verification fail? It's not because clinics don't care. It's because insurance is a maze. Outdated patient info, staff assuming coverage hasn't changed, limited time at the front desk, and manual systems that can't keep up. The result? Denials, unexpected patient bills, delayed payments, and frustrated staff. I've heard stories from front desk teams juggling phones and 3 different screens just to confirm one policy. Or billers calling the same insurance company 4 times to confirm coverage, an entire hour lost on a single patient. Skipping verification doesn't just cost money. It damages trust. Patients feel blindsided when they're billed for something they thought was covered. And your staff? Burned out from preventable problems. So, what's the smarter way forward? The most successful practices are taking a proactive approach. They verify insurance before the visit, not at check-in. They use real-time eligibility tools to cut down errors. They train their staff to actually interpret coverage details. And many are outsourcing insurance verification altogether, letting a dedicated team handle it so their staff can breathe. Take a real-world example. A pediatric clinic in Texas was facing a 15% denial rate, all tied to missed insurance updates. After outsourcing insurance verification, their denial rate dropped to under 4%. Even better, patient complaints about billing went down by more than 70%. That's the difference accurate verification makes. Patients walk in and you already know if they're covered. And if they're not? You can solve it before they see the doctor. So here's the takeaway, doctors: insurance verification isn't a formality, it's survival. Every visit. Every patient. Every time. Automated systems help, yes, but trained eyes and dedicated teams make the real difference. At Staffingly, Inc., we provide insurance eligibility verification that's fast, accurate, and handled by people who know payer rules inside and out. We don't just check boxes, we make sure your patients are covered, your claims are clean, and your revenue is protected. Because in the end, skipping insurance verification is like skipping seatbelts. You might get away with it once or twice. Thanks for watching.